Hello guys and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making kimbap, and this is the kimbap that Grace and I grew up with. My mom makes the best kimbap in our opinions, and the people that have tried her kimbap also say that it's just so addicting. I'm going to show you guys how she does it. She does add sausage or some kind of meat in there, but I'm going to take that out. So let's go check out the ingredients, and I wanted to make it a little cool, so we're going to be doing another kimbap with an avocado topping because I really like avocados. So let's go and check out the ingredients. So now we have all our ingredients, and there's of course a lot of toppings, or I guess they're not toppings but fillings that go inside a kimbap. And the best thing about kimbap, like I always say, is that you can substitute or add any ingredient that you would like to add in there and it will taste really good. Crab meat, I just shredded it, and with the fermented radish, I just cut it into thinner strips. And then I pre-shredded all the carrots. I pre-blanched the spinach, but I will show you guys at this time how to season it. We'll add a 4th teaspoon of salt. Batsugum, which translates to taste salt, is something that is very, very necessary in kimbap. This is literally gonna make the world of a difference, so make sure to get this. This is like a cheating way, right? Please just MSG added to salt, and it just makes everything taste good. But if you guys see this at the Korean grocery store, you guys need to get your hands on them. And a half teaspoon of sesame oil. And we'll give this a mix. So I have 8 eggs in here, and I'm gonna beat it and add a 4th teaspoon of that seasoning salt to this. So on a medium heat pan, I'm gonna add an ample amount of olive oil. I like my kimbap with a lot of egg, and I know in Korea they have this thing called 계란 kimbap, which is egg kimbap, and there's like this much egg in there. It's like half the fillings are egg, and it just tastes really good because it just looks like it'll taste good. I've never had it, but we're gonna try that out today and have a lot of egg, which is why there are 8 eggs in here. You ready? And we'll let this rest now. And repeat. Let's roll this up and cut it into very thin pieces. I wiped the fry pan down and added some olive oil, and the carrots are next. Now I'll add salt to this. I have my rice ready, and make sure it's not too steaming hot because it's gonna wilt the seaweed. Let's start off by adding about a tablespoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon of the salt. It's just gonna be to taste. It's kind of hard for me to tell you guys exactly the measurements. Let's start off with that, and I'll let you know if we needed to adjust it. Give this a mix. Just by the looks of it, I know I'm gonna need more sesame oil, so 2 tablespoons total, yes. I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds too. So now we're gonna get rolling and make some kimbap. We'll add a very thin layer of rice down. left a little bit of space with no rice. We cannot be shy with our ingredients, so add a lot because it'll taste better and it'll also look better. So we are going to make sure that everything is pretty even throughout. Let's some spinach. And so now this end is gonna meet this end, and the rice will be acting as the glue. Hold everything together and roll it on. And make sure it's secure and tight. So for 2 of these, we're gonna have regular kimbap, and for 2 of them, we're gonna put avocado as the topping. So let's get a brush ready, and we're gonna brush on some sesame oil and sesame seeds. And the ends are usually the best part, but they don't look pretty, so I'm gonna eat it. And now for the avocado one, we're gonna cut this into very, very thin pieces, and we're gonna need some plastic wrap. And now we will lay this down and spread it out to the length of the kimbap. And we're going to wrap it. Just one of the pieces I'll eat. I'll eat that in peace. Okay, and let's start off with the regular kimbap. So good. One really good thing I like about kimbap is that you get all your nutrients in one bite. Let's go ahead and try this too. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this.
Sriracha?
Freaking bomb. Try this method out of the avocado. Super presentable. Tastes good, it's creamy. So we'll see you guys on our next one.